Now, while actor Allu Arjun is facing heat in the Stampede tragedy case, we're given to understand that Tollywood actors are all set to visit Chief Minister Revanth Reddy in wake of the charges that have been levelled by the Hyderabad police against actor Allu Arjun and his security personnel. So it's support pouring in from all quarters for actor Allu Arjun. Top stars including Chiranjeevi as well as other stars from the Tollywood industry are set to visit Chief Minister Revanth Reddy today. This comes in the backdrop of the questioning of actor Allu Arjun, which happened day before yesterday by the Hyderabad police. If sources are to be believed, he is likely to be sent another notice by the Hyderabad police. Let's go across to Aneri, who has been tracking all the updates closely. Aneri, it's support pouring in from all quarters for Allu Arjun. Talk to us about this Tollywood delegation that is set to visit Chief Minister Revanth Reddy today.
Well, that's right, Samiksha. What we have been seeing is that after a controversy that had erupted where Allu Arjun was also questioned for 4 hours, well, now we see that the FDC chairman, along with industry personalities, including Chiranjeevi and others, will be, including Allu Arvind, who is the father of Allu Arjun, will be meeting the Chief Minister or Revanth Reddy at around 10 a.m. today. And along with Revanth Reddy, we will be seeing some of the ministers, some of the cabinet ministers, including cinematography minister, will be also a part of this meeting. Well, we'll have to see what goes on, what discussions will be taking place, also remains to be seen, Samiksha.
All right, Aneri, we leave it at that. We will keep coming back to you for more developments. For now, we move on to more news break coming in. And this is the news that you're tracking from Rajasthan, the Kotputli district, where rescue efforts have been underway for the last 3 days to pull out the 3-year-old toddler who'd fallen in this 700-foot borewell. Note that a team of rat miners from Uttarakhand have also, a team that has also been roped in to aid in the rescue operations. So an NDRF team, an SDRF team and rat miners team from Uttarakhand that have been working tirelessly to pull out the 3-year-old girl. The visuals on your screens of the CCTV of the camera that was taken inside the borewell to monitor the movement of the toddler who's been trapped for the last 3 days in this borewell. Let's go across to Piyush. He's joining us live from Kotputli district in Rajasthan, where the rescue operations have been ongoing. Piyush, talk to us about the rescue operations as of now, and also how's the monitoring being done of the movement of the toddler who's stuck in this borewell for the last 3 days.